Good day, our dear learners. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'd like to talk about adjectives and adverbs. What are they? How do we use them in sentences? And what is the difference between them? After watching this video, the free grammar quiz will be waiting for you to boost your knowledge and understanding of these grammar rules. Let's get started. We start today with a bit of theory about parts of the speech. First of all, our speech consists of different parts. An adjective is a part of the speech which describes a noun or pronoun. For example, the careful driver, the beautiful girl, the nice weather. Careful, beautiful, nice are the adjectives here. An adverb is a part of the speech which often connects and describes verbs, adjectives, other adverbs, and denotes a sign of action. For example, run quickly, drive slowly, write beautifully. Quickly, slowly, beautifully are adverbs here. There are some examples. He is a careful driver. The flowers are beautiful. As you can see from these examples, adjectives are describing nouns. Most adverbs have the ending ly, and to form an adverb, we need to add ly to our adjective. For example, beautiful, beautifully, perfect, perfectly, serious, seriously. The girl on the stage danced beautifully. I drive my car perfectly. He is going to prepare for his exams carefully. As you can see here, our adverbs are describing verbs of how something is done, and adverbs follow after the verb. But don't be confused if you see the words lonely, lovely, lively, friendly, elderly. They are adjectives. Yes, they have ly at the end, but they are adjectives, and their place is before the noun in the sentence. For example, this is a lovely dress. I have a few friends. I am not lonely. The street here is lively. They gave us a friendly smile. An elderly lady was reading a book. Please compare. The project about the environment was very thorough. I do my homework thoroughly. He is a quick learner. He learns quickly. She is a careful person. She spends money carefully. In all these sentences, I used adjectives and adverbs. You're a speaker, and you can choose any part of the speech to express your thoughts and form sentences. If you choose an adjective, put it before a noun. If you choose an adverb, put it after the verb, or adjectives, or at the end of the sentence as we did in our examples. However, I would like to note that not all adverbs are formed by ending the ending ly. The words fast, hard, late are all adjectives and adverbs. Please compare. She is a fast rider. She rides fast. It is hard to prepare for the job interview. She studied hard to pass her exams. She was late for a meeting. The sun was going down and it was getting late. In these examples, we put fast, hard, and late before the noun, and we get an adjective. And when we put our words after verbs, we get adverbs, but the form remains the same. After the verbs be, look, sound, feel, we use adjectives. I'm happy, I feel happy, but I sing happily. As you can see, it is not so difficult to distinguish the difference between adjectives and adverbs. I hope this was a helpful explanation, and to check for yourself if you understand these grammar rules correctly, please follow the link in the description of this video to do the quiz with more examples. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in our next videos. Goodbye.